In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Expert option. Now, the first thing you want to do here, once you're signed into your account, you want to go to the Finances tab here on the left, and then you want to click on Deposit down at the bottom. And the first thing you have to do here is you actually have to select the deposit method you would like to do. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and use my MasterCard. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to change this to USD. There we go. And then you can basically select how much you would like to deposit. Now, some of these deposits, as you can see, will have bonuses sometimes. So if you actually want to do a bonus over here, you of course are free to use them in case you have any of these available. Okay, so sometimes they're going to be here, sometimes they're not going to be here, depending on, of course, your account. Now here you can of course type in how much you want to deposit yourself as well. And whenever you do that here, if you have a promo code, for example, you could also type that promo code in here, just like that. Click on apply. I don't have one right now, and you'll be able to basically see your deposit bonuses over here. You could deactivate them or activate them. It's completely up to you. And of course, you have to comply to these terms before you can actually use the deposit bonus. Okay. So whenever you do this here, you can then just go ahead and click on I agree to terms and conditions. And if you actually do agree to everything, click on the pay over here. And this is going to take you to a separate page over here where you can see and you can confirm if everything looks correct. Then click on proceed to payment. This is going to take you to a separate website where you can put in your card number, and then you can just add the funds by clicking this button, and then your funds are going to be available on here right away. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.